We are rolling.
Okay. We're not yet. We're not doing the video yet.
Okay, we're just gonna wait in here. Okay, so say your stuff. What's up, guys? It's Tango Mac from Mobile Halo 123 Productions. We're here with Dragonfire 70, which means he's in a different party. And we are here with Assassin today.
Not yet.
He's gonna try to get weaponless. Hey, why don't you see him get weaponless?
No, wait, I'm not starting the video yet.
Well, we're recording it. Don't worry, don't worry.
That's fine.
We're just getting ready for stuff.
Okay, let's pretend we're making the video. Let's pretend this is...
Dude, we gotta do the actual tour. Ready? And
But we started off with Dragonfire.
ready and action.
Hi, I'm Assassin 96459. With a special guest, it is Dragonfire 70. You can
Put him through the game if you want.
Okay. Well, here is our map tour.
Yeah, our first map tour, which is Highlands, part of the Climax map.
Yep. So we see the map Highlands. And I will show you the people that don't have the map app. If you don't have it already, I recommend you don't watch this video. I'll just stop the thing.
Over here is the operations room.
And then little, I'm gonna see Roger in there. So follow me. Okay. Well, as I was saying, this is a map pilot. It is from the map pack. I was already saying, if you have this map pack or watch this video, if you do, I will tell somebody. The zombie attachment behind the scenes will be out in a while. Not even maybe a day or two. So as I was saying, we are just gonna show you around.
Okay, go slow,
The last part of the map. Over here's the ghost. I'm guessing this is the
Underpass.
pipe refinery that keeps the water, makes the clean, fresh water, filters the water into the river. I'm kidding.
Oh, this is the map from Orby and the Chief. This is wait, Assassin. This is the map. This is where Orby on the episode of Fired Up. This is where Orby and Chief get fired from being tossers.
Well, as you can see, I'm specifically focused. Well, as you can see, zombie police behind this, make the...
It's zombies attacking police.
Yeah, well, we'll make it soon, so that's why we'll start them to it. Highlands is a very close map. Red Bay has a little on the middle. See, you end up crashing and stuff. Here, and there's landmines and all types of stuff. This map is a really good map. From over there's the tower. And, well, here's another landmine. And down here, some stuff. This map isn't that big, so...
Oh, this is where the armor is
excited. Oh yeah, and I forgot.
of the
The
tossers.
coolest part of all. Over here, and most of all, propellers. It's old piece of string got cut off. See? Cut. Like it? Guess what? There's somebody dying in there. For real, not mine. You wanna hear them? Turn up your volume if you want to. If you get close enough, you'll be able to hear somebody.
I hear him.
See? I told you. I'm not going to make it right back. There is somebody dying here. You'll hear somebody talking and drawing mostly. And over here is the second part of the pelican.
I heard him. That was so cool.
I know. He told
you.
And well, so over here. Just get this thing out of the way. And then over here is a nice cliff. Very nice indeed. You can jump off and you might get your, very angry and infection. I love this stuff. Well, over here, nice trees that you can see the covenant burning my nice place here. This asshole, man. Wow.
Stupid covenant.
And I was showing you. So that's this side, and well, not all. Well, this is not the end of the snap. This one. Yes, indeed. We'll make a video in another second.
Now we're going on to the other map pack. The other map. Called Condemned. Then we'll be going firefight map. Oh, as you can see, I'm a captain. Here, put this thing on invite only.
Okay.
Ooh, I got a friend that's a legend.
Okay, make the video. Put the video on. Like, you know,
It's still rolling.
Oh, yeah. Well,
Well, we'll see you guys in part 2.